Okay, guys, so basically, today we'll be show. What did I call it? Electro furnace drill queen walk. Yeah, electro furnace drill queen walk. So there's the army. So yeah, what you do? You shine blazing light, and then you place a line of balloons to test for traps, and then do a line of dragons, and then wait, no, down here you place the healers. Forgot about that. And yeah, you just let it chill, and place the earthquakes in the near the middle to damage, buildings, including the town hall. And then over on a side with not many defenses, place your battle drill, right? See where I'm going with this? And then once your battle drill pops, your invisibility, clones, just let it do its thing. Keep invisibilizing. Do your king ability, not like that. That was a bad example. But do it whenever there's high health defenses that that need to be taken out. Place it around there. Let your queen walk continue. Your 8th healer does nothing. And yeah, Diggy. And yeah. She's so cute. And yeah. So, what you do with the hero equipments. Oh god, how many times am I gonna have to repeat this today? Use a spiky ball when there's high health defenses, and quite a few of them. You can use it. And then giant arrow, use it as soon as, literally just second you deploy the queen, use it. And place the queen in the corner and then use it. And then this, use it when you're at a big clump of defenses. Then you can use it, and it slows them down. Oh my god. And then finally, the warden, use it how I did. And just use it whenever, a bulk of troops is in there. That's when you should use it. And yeah. I don't know what else to say. Okay, yeah, bye.